Can dirty ducts cause respiratory problems? Yes, dirty ducts can worsen breathing symptoms by spreading dust, mold particles, pet dander, and other irritants through the home, especially for people with allergies or asthma. Heating and cooling ducts can collect dust, pollen, insect remains, and moisture over time. When the system runs, some of these particles may move through the air and be breathed in. This does not mean dirty ducts automatically cause illness, because many homes have dusty ducts without serious health effects. However, people with asthma, allergies, chronic lung disease, or a weak immune system may notice coughing, sneezing, wheezing, sore throats, or stuffy noses more easily. Mold inside ducts or near the air conditioner can be a bigger concern because mold needs moisture to grow. A lesser-known problem is that dirty filters can make the system blow harder, which may spread more particles and also reduce airflow. Check your air filter every month and replace it when it looks clogged, using the size and type recommended by the equipment maker. If you see mold, smell a strong musty odor, or find water inside the system, have a qualified heating and cooling professional inspect the cause before cleaning the ducts. One common mistake is assuming every dusty duct needs cleaning. So first look for visible contamination, pests, mold, or unexplained symptoms instead of paying for unnecessary service. Another mistake is cleaning the ducts while ignoring a dirty filter, leaking ductwork, or a damp air conditioner. So fix the source or the problem may return. Some people also use strong sprays or household chemicals inside the ducts, but these can add irritating fumes, so use only products approved for that equipment and follow professional guidance. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bidhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.